Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm making bolognese sauce. You could serve with your own choice of pasta. Let's get started. To the wok, I'm adding approximately 1 tablespoon of olive oil, followed by minced garlic, minced onion. Saute until fragrant. Next, I'm adding the ground beef. Use your wooden spoon or your spatula and just keep breaking it apart. Keep doing that for a few minutes until it's completely brown. After your meat is fully brown, you will see it has a lot of fat in it. I will take it to the sink and drain that off in a colander or whatever pasta strainer that you have. Once that is done, I'll return the meat to the saucepan. Then I will next add my herbs, spices, and pasta sauce. Here I'm adding salt and pepper, followed by a mixture of oregano, rosemary, thyme, and basil, or whatever Italian season you have in your kitchen. Give that a good mix. Next, I'm adding the diced tomato, followed by the pasta sauce and a half a cup of water, depending on the consistency of your pasta. Turn your heat down to low, cover and simmer for about 20 minutes. There you have it, guys, bolognese pasta sauce, and I chose penne pasta with mine. Thanks for watching.